Investing in apartments for beginners. Here's 10 strategies to really put you on a solid foundation as you get your journey going. Number 1 is educate yourself. Start by learning about real estate in general, and then specifically about multifamily apartment investing. Read books, go to seminars, attend webinars, follow blogs, and even watch YouTube videos from experts in the field. Understanding the fundamentals is crucial to set you up for success as you go out and invest in these large properties. 2, set clear investment goals. Goals like, what is your desired cash flow? What's your desired return on investment? How much time are you looking to spend every day on this business? Or are you looking for something more passive? Having clear goals will help guide your decision-making process every day. Number 3, research local markets, or specifically the markets you want to invest in. Look for things like population growth, job growth, diversity of jobs, what's the median household income, what's the occupancy rate or vacancy rate in the market. What you're looking to find out is there a strong demand for rental units if you go and buy a property in that area? This will help you identify markets that will give you success in your investing career. 4, start with a single property. Don't get overwhelmed thinking you need this massive portfolio right away. Start small, fail small, and learn small. And that way you can take all those decisions and all those things you've learned and apply it to a larger portfolio down the line. Number 5, build a reliable team. A team of professionals is essential. That means property management, that means maintenance, that means a lender, that means an inspector, that means a good general contractor. But number 1, start with a lender and a property manager. They can lead you to a lot of the other professionals you'll need for your team. Number 6, analyze the financials. This is a business that generates income and has expenses, so you need to start to love the numbers. Don't make emotional, rash decisions. Look at the numbers. Let a spreadsheet tell you if this is going to be a profitable decision. Learn your financial metrics like a cap rate, cash on cash return, ROI, and talk to property management about what some of the costs associated with owning these properties might be. Number 7, network with experienced professionals, other investors in your area. Going to real estate meetings, meetups, online Zoom meetings, or just meeting people for coffee can be hugely valuable for you as a beginning investor. What I suggest is you ask their story and learn from what they've done. Ask questions along the way, see what you can apply to your investing, and try not to make the same mistakes they did. Number 8, consider your financing options. At the end of the day, we buy most of these properties here that you see on this wall behind me with loans of some kind. So what are the loan terms? What do they mean? What is debt to income ratio? What is debt service coverage ratio? What are interest rates? What is leverage? What are some of the criteria for any of the different loans you might get? A bridge loan, a government loan, a bank loan, a private money loan. All these might seem overwhelming for right now, but if you just start diving into it, and remember, lending is part of the process, so get to know it. 9, conduct thorough due diligence. This means reviewing all the property's financials and the physical attributes of the property before you buy it. This is going to help you uncover any unnecessary costs down the line that you might not have known about. And 10, start small, but have a vision to scale eventually. You're not going to get rich in this business with one property, but you might if you have 2, 3, 5, 10, 20. So start off right away knowing that down the line, I'm going to own a lot of property. Get that mindset now. Just don't let it overwhelm you today. Remember, investing in apartments is a long-term game. It requires patience, it requires some money, it requires some education, but most of all, it requires grit and focus and determination. So start with these 10 things and get going already. If you ever want to learn more about investing in apartments, you can go to amitycashflow.com. My name's Chris Collins. We'll talk to you more tomorrow.